Gardening is good for you. It is good for your body. It is also good for your mind. Many people find peace and happiness in the garden. The garden allows you to connect with nature. This connection can be very healing. It allows you to escape from the stresses of daily life. In the garden, you can find a sense of calm. Gardening is a physical activity. It involves digging, planting, and weeding. These activities can help to relieve stress. Physical activity releases endorphins. Endorphins make you feel good. They act as natural painkillers. They also improve your mood. So next time you are feeling stressed, try gardening. Gardening requires you to be present in the moment. You have to focus on the task at hand. For example, you might focus on planting seeds at the correct depth. You might focus on watering your plants. This focus helps to clear your mind. You forget about your worries. You become absorbed in the rhythm of the garden. This is mindfulness. I've experienced the mental health benefits of gardening firsthand. When I am in my garden, I feel calm and content. I forget about my troubles. I'm simply present with my plants. I remember one particularly stressful day. I went out into my garden. I started weeding. After a while, I felt my stress melt away. Gardening is a truly therapeutic activity. It is a great way to improve your mental well-being.